Hey everyone, welcome to the Teach Online course, the course that shows you exactly how to make money teaching what you love. I'm Phil Ebner, the founder of Video School Online and an online instructor. I've made 6 figures in passive income teaching online courses, starting with no audience, no brand, no teaching experience, nothing. By the end of this course, you'll be well on your way to creating amazing courses, selling them online, and building your own audience. This course walks you through the entire course creation and course promotion process. In the beginning, you'll learn exactly how to create the course that you want, and by the end of the course, you'll learn all of the promotion strategies that I use to make a ton of money teaching online courses. The best thing about this course is that it is continually being updated with the latest trends and techniques that I use to continue to build my online teaching business. I designed this course for anybody that's completely new to teaching online or someone who is trying to teach online but just isn't getting those sales that they want. So if that sounds like you, I think this is the perfect class to enroll in. Please check out the description of this course, and you can even preview the entire first section for free, where you'll find one of the latest income reports and a free ebook that describes my journey as an online instructor. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see you in the course.